the LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video about the OnePlus 8 for Visual Wireless. So the OnePlus 8 is now here at Visual Wireless available now for $692 for retail price, or $28 a month. For 24 months is available in Onyx Black, 128 GB of storage. So yeah, so this is really cool. So let's go ahead and check out the phone. So you do have your front facing camera, your whole phone's front facing camera, earpiece, power button will be on the right side of the phone, along with your light switch on the right side of the phone. Your RAM cage will be on the right side of the phone. Right side of the phone, like I said, power button and your light switch right here. Your camera does stick up there just a bit down the back, so be mindful of that. And then on the back of the OnePlus 8, you guys have 3 cameras. Camera flash, OnePlus login, and then you have OnePlus spelled out on the back. So really nice phone. So yeah. So it says here the OnePlus 8 delivers a powerful next generation experience. Discover a fast and responsive fluid display and enhanced triple camera system with innovative new features like smart pet capture, dynamic video shooting, and infrared video stabilization. Add game-changing fast charging capabilities and 8 GB of RAM, plus 128 GB of high-speed storage for a premium smartphone experience without compromise. So that's good. So the specs of OnePlus 8. This is a flagship phone, so you will be getting flagship specs. So yeah. So the OnePlus 8 has 8 GB of RAM. That is DDR4 RAM, 128 GB of storage. There is no SD card slot on this one, so do keep that in mind. It is UFS 3.8 storage. Snapdragon 865 processor, Android 10 with Oxygen OS, 16 megapixel front-facing camera. Your sensors include you will have a in-display fingerprint sensor, accelerometer, electronic compass, gyroscope, ambient light, proximity sensor core. You do have 3 cameras in the rear, a 48 megapixels, 2 megapixel macro lens, a 16 megapixel ultra wide angle lens. Your field of view is 116 degrees. Your dimensions on the OnePlus 8 is 6.31 inches height, 2.87 inches width, and 0.31 inches depth. The OnePlus 8 weighs 6.35 ounces. Screen size is 6.55 inches. That is a full HD plus display, I think. So not too bad. 4300 mAh battery. You do get the Volt Charge 30T fast charging, so that's really nice. Specs on here are great. Yeah. So there you guys have the OnePlus 8 is now here at Visual Wireless for $692 for retail price, per $28 a month for 24 months. So if you guys are looking to get a flagship phone for cheap, the OnePlus 8 is worth taking a look at here. I think it does have 5G with this phone, so it's good. So this is basically a cheap flagship phone with flagship specs on it, so that's a win. That's definitely worth the price. Specs on this phone are great, like I said. So if you guys are looking to get a flagship phone for cheap, OnePlus 8 is worth taking a look at here. So yeah, there you guys have the OnePlus 8 is now here at Visual Wireless. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It lets me know what. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.